Upgrading your car's audio system can sometimes seem like a complex and daunting task, especially when sorting through the myriad of options available on the market. Today, we're taking a close look at the KICKER 46CSC654 CSC65 6.5 inch coaxial speakers, which promise not only to fit almost any car but also to elevate your listening experience with high-quality sound and robust construction. Starting with the design, these speakers are built to impress. The zero protrusion tweeters are a standout feature, ensuring that these speakers can fit into nearly any factory depth without any issues. This is a huge plus for those who want a seamless upgrade without the hassle of modifying door panels or dashboards. The construction quality of these speakers reflects KICKER's commitment to durability and sound performance. The polypropylene cones are surrounded by UV-treated polyfoam that stands up well against heat and direct sunlight, making them an excellent choice for vehicles that are frequently exposed to harsh conditions. The extended voice coil technology, EVC for short, enhances the linear excursion of the woofer, ensuring that each note is played back with precision and minimal distortion. Sound quality is where the CSC65 really shines. The large woofer magnet and heavy-duty motor structure are designed for ultra-clean bass that doesn't muddy the mid-range frequencies. For those who enjoy their music with a bit of thump, these speakers deliver impactful bass without overwhelming the other elements of the track. High frequencies are crisp and clear, thanks to the PI tweeter construction with neodymium magnets, which are not only powerful but also aid in producing a higher volume output in the highs. Sensitivity and power handling are also key aspects to consider. With a sensitivity rating of 90 dB, these speakers are efficient enough to perform well under limited power from a factory or an aftermarket head unit. They can handle up to 100 watts of RMS power. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.